everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I hope you're ready for some fun today. We're gonna do some more landscape fun. And I'm just gonna get everything ready here. I've lost my sprayer. There it is. So we're gonna spray down our palette and our paints, get everything ready for us. We're going to start up in the sky. Now I've got a piece of tape here in the center, so this is going to be my sky and this is going to be my land. Now we're going to speed this up for you to fit into the time slot. So we're going to start with the sky and then we'll do the land. I hope you enjoy this. I'm going to put on some music for you and we're going to get through this project.
without you. If we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move. We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. No, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit while we go for more. We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
Okay, we have the final dry results. Pretty happy with how the clouds came out this time. Getting a little more natural each time. We have our mountains and our tree line and our field full of flowers. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of Friday with Friends. Before me, you should have seen Bill from Roberson Art. And Billy is taking the night off tonight, so it's just the two of us. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone.